What's up and welcome back to my channel again. So yeah, Merry Christmas, and I also dressed up for the occasion as you can see. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this origami model. As you can see right here, this is called a Christmas sock. Okay, this is how it looks, and there's a pocket, and you can stick anything inside. You can stick this Merry Christmas written right here. You're gonna put it inside, or you can also put a candy. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. It can be a cute decoration, so we're gonna make it. Here we go. So all you need is a piece of paper, square sheet of paper, colored on one side and white on the other. Or if you don't have this type of paper, you can just use a normal sheet of paper, but then it will be all the same. There will be the same color everywhere, but you can still color it, no problem. All right, let's begin. Colored side up, we're gonna fold in half like this. Okay guys, so there's your Christmas sock. As you can see, it looks pretty well, and there's also another one I folded. And so guys, Merry Christmas to everyone, all of you, and yeah, and Merry Christmas. And just let me show my Christmas tree. Oh look, I decorated this. So there you go guys, and I showed you how to make this Christmas model. And of course, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified. And bye bye and Merry Christmas.